अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आजकल हम सब के पास स्मार्टफोन्स हैं। ये ज़्यादा पहले की बात नहीं है जब हमारे दादा दादी नाना नानी को बटन्स वाले फ़ोन्स तक यूज़ करने नहीं आते थे। आज भी हमारे घर में ऐसे केसेस मौजूद हैं, लेकिन घर के छोटे से छोटे बच्चे को भी फेसबुक यूज़ करना आता है। दे नो हाउ टू अपलोड अ फोटो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, दे नो हाउ टू यूज़ ट्विटर. Even my 2-year-old daughter does not eat without having cell phone in her hand, watching colorful videos on YouTube. So technology has engraved so much in us these days. There is more and more use of new devices. For example, such watches. We have tablets. People want their data available on every device they have anywhere they go. So why digital business is important? Digital business is important because of such great use of technology. This much use of technology in cost-effective way is putting challenges for businesses to develop some sort of app or shift some sort of their business to digital system. For example, Metro. Metro is a big grocery store. They developed an app. They know that in this era of technology, people want their grocery to be delivered at their doorsteps. Digital business matters because we are living in globally competitive markets. Businesses that are available in just one region have global competitors available. For example, our university, it provides online degree programs, but there are many universities around the globe that provide online degree programs. You just have to enroll yourself and you can get the degree sitting at your home. न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अवेलेबल। आजकल तो ऐसी एप्स आ गई हैं जिससे धोबी या मेड जैसी सर्विसेज आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, जो पहले नहीं था। स्पीड ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव्ड एप्स आर अवेलेबल. For example, Amazon has started its new services called Amazon Web Services, through which all the data regarding manufacturers and others are available online, which also includes ease of payments. We are becoming a V economy, where there is unlimited collaboration between manufacturers and consumers. बहुत सी ऐसी ऐप्स ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल हैं जिसमें कंज्यूमर्स अपनी मर्ज़ी के फीचर्स सिलेक्ट करता है ऑनलाइन एंड उसको वैसी ही प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर कर दी जाती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज़ अ रोल्स रॉयस ऐप फॉर आईफोन एंड आईपैड यूजर्स in which customers can select interior and exterior of the car according to their choice and उनको वैसी ही कार डिलीवर कर दी जाती है. So these were all the points regarding why digital business matters, and in the next video we are going to discuss what happens when digital business strategy is not clearly defined.